Hey guys, do you want to create or start a blog or website today using WordPress online? Are you a beginner and you've never created a website online and you need some help doing it? If that's the case, I'm glad that you guys hit play. That way I can show you guys what I recommend that you do to get your website up and running within a few short moments using WordPress. Hey guys, I'm Wally with LearningNet.com, and if you guys are new here to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now below, along with the bell, and that way any future videos that I put up, you'll be sure to receive them. So here at LearningNet.com, it is a blog that I've created quite some time back where periodically I'll do reviews on different web hosting services. And if you're a total beginner online and you don't know or understand what a web hosting is in general, I'll just explain it to you briefly, guys. That way you understand. When you create a website online, you'll need two basic things. One, you'll need a domain name. That's what you're going to call your website itself. In my case, it's learningnet.com. Yours might be the .com, the .net, .org, whatever it is, your brand that you want to secure online. You're going to need a domain name itself. The second thing you're going to need is what's called web hosting. Web hosting is what makes your website live and visible to viewers, online itself. Those are the two basic things that you need to get any blog or any website online to be visible to your clients or potential customers that will arrive to your website that you want to create. So in this post here, guys, I wanted to make this video just to direct your attention to it. That way you can see step by step how is it that you can get your website up, from purchasing your domain name, from getting your web hosting itself. Of course, something that I want to mention, I'm going to drop this link right below. That way you guys can check it out once you finish this video. You'll come across several companies that do offer web hosting as well as domain names itself. In this post, guys, that I put together, I put a lot of work into this. So I want you to click right below to the link that I have right there. It's going to bring you to my blog. That way you guys can check out step by step how to start a blog on WordPress for beginners. I take you step by step through the process itself, and you guys can check out this blog as well. Of course, on the side, I have some web hosting banners that are there, and I talk to you about that. How is it that you go about selecting a web hosting provider, what to look for, where is it that you can save the most with your web hosting, and even with the purchase of your domain name itself. And so in this post, guys, that I put together, I'm going to be taking you guys step by step through the process to show you how to start a WordPress blog. WordPress, guys, powers more than a third of the websites that are online today. More than a third of the websites that are online today use WordPress. And WordPress is highly recommended for a number of reasons. One, it's super easy, it's very user-friendly, and it's great for beginners because it doesn't require any prior knowledge of coding or HTML. So if you're not tech savvy and you don't have a lot of knowledge with web design or using HTML or coding, you don't need it. Don't worry about it. I don't even talk about that on this post because it's not really necessary if you guys are beginners online. So again, I walk you step by step through the process of not only securing and purchasing a domain name, but also helping you to select which web hosting provider of the many that are out there will be ideal for your solution to create your blog on WordPress today. So I wanted to put up this video, guys, to show you what a great resource this piece of content is. Check out the link that's right below. Click the link that's right below, guys. And that way you can get started learning step by step how to create your very own blog using WordPress, guys, okay? So I hope you much success in your endeavors of creating your website today. If you haven't done so already, guys, hit that subscribe button right now along with the bell, and hit that like button to let me know that this is the type of material that you guys want to learn about going forward, okay? Click the link that's right below, and that way you can start learning step by step for free how to start a blog on WordPress today. Take care.